guys, today's video is going to be an unboxing video. Kind of went a little crazy on the Goodwill website the other day, about a week ago actually. They had a restock of some of their blue boxes, their Goodwill mystery blue boxes, and I bought 4 of them. So I think I'm going to do, I don't know, 2 separate videos. This one I'm going to do the Y2K unboxing, and then the other video I'll do the other box that I got because it was all in one box. The Y2K and Streetwear wholesale box, 20 pieces. I paid $49.99 for this. Free shipping too, which was good. But 20 pieces, if you want to break it down, that's $2.49 per item. First thing in the box is a t-shirt. This is a New York t-shirt. I can already see a stain on it. I think this is, no, not vintage. It's just like faded looking. This is gross looking. It's like a faded yellow color. Looks like that, size large. Next thing is another t-shirt. It says University of Florida Dad on it, size medium. Another New York City t-shirt. It's Manhattan. This has got a stain on it too. If you've watched my previous Goodwill unboxings, I wasn't too happy, but I decided to give them another chance. Just because, you know, it's been a little while, I figured I'd give them another chance. All right, next we have a Buffalo Sabres shirt. It's an NHL team. This is Reebok, size extra large. Looks like this. I might be giving some of this stuff to my husband to put in his closet because he sells mainly shoes, but also men's stuff as well. I mean, I do have a few men's pieces in mine, but if this is all men's, then I don't know, I might give it to him. Ooh, we have a Kyrie shirt. Ooh, yay. This is definitely a kid's size large. Kids. It's definitely kids. Do they have kids stuff in my other boxes? Maybe they did. But yeah, it's a Nike Kyrie shirt. I'll probably put this in my kids' closet. Or it'll even fit me. But I'm not a fan of Kyrie anymore. I mean, it's complicated. If you guys don't know who Kyrie is, Kyrie Irving, basketball player, played with the Celtics. Irrelevant now. Next is Extrovert. It says Extrovert. This is a Disney Park shirt. Extrovert. I don't know who this guy is. Some Disney movie, but this is new with tags. It's still got like the sticky tag on it, but not the actual like price tag. Ooh, we have a Florida Gators shirt, size large. A PlayStation shirt, size extra large. This is cool. What happened to my voice? Cool. It's a bear t-shirt, size extra large. It's got like a bear's school photo on it. You like different poses? Donald Duck shirt from Disneyland, 3XL. What does it say? It's only money. Okay, Donald. Wait, is that Donald? That's Scrooge, isn't it? Polo Jeans Company shirt. This is all men's stuff. Did I get women's stuff in my other Y2K box? Because I've gotten this box before. I think I did get women's stuff in it. Okay. This one. We have a Curious George shirt, 3XL. All day, every day. Oh, there's a stain on it. Just when I thought I didn't have women's stuff. I think this is women's. Stranger Things. Size medium. It says 11. I've never seen Stranger Things. I don't know what 11 means. It probably means something, but this is a super soft sweatshirt. All right, we have a disgusting dirty shirt. I'm probably just gonna toss. There's like lots of stains on it. It's like a tuxedo shirt from Men's Warehouse. This looks to be it says Primitive on it. Primitive Apparel. I don't know what Primitive Apparel is. It says the base hole at Walters Basin. Oh, it's in New Hampshire. Squam Lake, Holderness, New Hampshire. I don't know where that is. Looks like that on the back. Sorry, I'm like grossed out by touching these. That's why I'm like, ugh. Can't wait to scrub my hands after this. Oh, we have a Patriots shirt. My husband will like this. What size is it? 3XL, never mind. Never mind. But he'll probably sell this in his closet. Super Bowl champions. Looks like that. What the hell is this? This is Nike. Nike. I don't know. I don't know what this says on it. Some team, I think. A soccer team, maybe? I don't know. You have a Dos Equis shirt. Size extra large. A Superman shirt. Not too impressed with this box. It's a scary looking shirt. Okay, it's got a pig on it, or a bull, or a freaking monster. I don't know what that is, but that shirt's like gross. There's hair all over it. Ugh, I'm so grossed out right now. All right, I need to finish this quick and scrub my hands. Okay, we have an Adidas shirt. All right, okay. There's probably stains on it though. There's hair all over it. Ugh. Adidas. Okay, there's hair all over it. I'm so grossed out. Okay, almost done, guys. 2 more. We have a Giants, San Francisco Giants shirt. And then the last thing is Miami Hurricanes 3XL. What's up with all this 3XL size? This is huge. It's on a champion tag though. Miami Hurricanes. Okay. That's everything that I got in my Goodwill Y2K streetwear box. Honestly, not too impressed with it. I'll sell a couple of those shirts. A couple I might give to my husband to try to sell, but the rest I'll probably just redonate. So, yeah. Glad I gave it more than one shot though, but I'm definitely done buying this particular box. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video.